So this is Via Tevere. They're famous for their delicious pizza. They serve some of the tastiest pizza in Vancouver. They just opened an outlet in Time Out Market at the Oakridge Park. So you gotta check out the restaurant before you go to the mall. It's a totally different experience.
Authentic Neapolitan pizza must be certified and meet international standards. The pizzeria must pass an inspection and strictly follow standards for specific ingredients, preparation, and cooking rules. Each qualified pizzeria receives a plaque and global certification.
The pizza has to be a certain size, and they have to maximum of 2 scoops of tomato sauce.
The dough has to be made a certain way. It's made with a particular flour.
The sauce must be raw, crushed tomatoes and salt only.
If you go to Naples, you have exactly the same pizza.
Similar.
Yeah, similar. By the standard, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's why the knives are so sharp.
And you can cut your own pizza here. They don't cut it for you, so you can cut it large slices as you want. So you got the knives, you got the scissors. Here we go. Cut it. I'm just gonna try a piece of everything. Yeah, just share everything. Just share everything.
The dough must consist of only 4 ingredients: wheat flour, water, sea salt, and yeast. One of the requirements of a Neapolitan pizza is that it must have a soft crust.
People fold the pizza. I've never done it before, so this is the first time I fold the pizza.
Want me to get that one out of the way?
How long has it been around here?
This location? You have to ask Sarah. I think 12 years.
Oh, 12
14.
years. Okay, fantastic. Thank you.
What kind of oven is that?
It's a... What is this? Stefan Nepali.
Huh?
Stefan Nepali.
It's like a wood fire?
Yeah.
Oh, wood fire. Okay, well. How many pizzas can you put in the oven at once?
Anywhere from 5 to 6.
5 to 6. Wow, fantastic. Is the cooking time a secret? How long you keep it in there? Is that a secret to see how long you put the pizza in there? Is that a secret?
How long do we cook it for?
Yeah. Is that a secret?
Roughly a minute and a half.
Oh, that's fast.
Yeah.
Wow. Certified Neapolitan pizza must be cooked in a wood-fired dome oven. The oven floor must reach 905 degrees Fahrenheit, or roughly 485 degrees Celsius. The cooking time for the pizza must reach between 60 to 90 seconds. The only cheeses used on certified Neapolitan pizzas are buffalo cheese or traditional Fiordi latte.
What is the signature pizza? I read it somewhere, but I don't know what's the famous one. Is it the margarita?
Margarita is kind of your classical basil. Fiordi latte is like mozzarella cheese, and then that's it. So that's kind of the margarita.
Nice burn marks. Look at that. Look at that.
And then from there, on that out is one bedroom condo.
I like this Peroni beer. It's Italian beer. I had it with steak before, so it's good with pizza as well. On the marble to make the pizza?
It's ideal.
Oh, ideal, but not compulsory.
Not really. It's just way easier to work with. And it won't stick to the bench.
Oh, okay, so that is working.
The pizza must be stretched by hands only, no mechanical devices or rolling pins. The size of the pizza must be between 10 to 12 inches, with specific requirements for the thickness of the edges and the center. It seems the most popular sauce is a tomato-based sauce. A popular pizza ordered is the margarita, which consists of tomato sauce, basil, and cheese. Maybe it's the simplicity of the ingredients that makes it so popular. Via Tevere is an award-winning, highly rated pizzeria in Vancouver since the day it opened. Their pizza is renowned for their aroma, taste, and texture. When you dine at Via Tevere, not only do you have great pizza, but you also have great service. They help you pick your choice of pizza and the toppings that go with it.
About a week later,
Come right here.
Capricciosa.
Wow, that's good. Wow, look at that, look at that.
And the other capricciosa. And then that's the tricolore.
Look at that, look at that. I don't know. So this is a capricciosa, I made a mistake. So it's got the olives, artichoke, lots of flavor. Is there one, I saw somebody's video, but it has some kind of a cream sauce on it.
The menu's organized with tomato base on the left side, olive oil in the middle, and then cream base on the right.
Oh,
so
okay,
there's three pizzas there.
Oh, that's the cream on it. Oh, perfect.
Exactly, yeah.
This is the one I can't pronounce. It's got the cream sauce on it. So once again, this fast cooking pizza, only a minute and a half to cook it. More subtle flavor with a more cream-based sauce. That's still pretty good though.
For dinner, we enjoyed the flavors of 7 different pizzas, a large order of spaghetti and meatballs, a large order of spaghetti carbonara. We had some drinks, and we wanted to try some dessert, but we were too full. So we'll have to try the dessert next time. Overall, we had a great dining experience with great table service.
First time I stepped inside the time out market here. I'm at Via Tevere. I'm not sure if they're Neapolitan certified, like the restaurant on the Victoria Drive. I don't see the certification on the board anywhere.
In my opinion, eating here is not the same as eating in an Italian-style pizzeria. The pizza may be made to the same quality, but you want to get the pizza hot, fresh. You don't want to be waiting for the pizza with a buzzer, which is what they do here in this food court. Even though people say this is not a food court, to me, it's still a high-end food court. You're not getting table service here, but when you pay your bill ahead of time, you're still going to be asked to tip at all the outlets in this high-end food court. Some of the food outlets here are Michelin rated or Michelin star, but you're not getting the total Michelin experience in this food court.
Sharing tables, but everybody shares a table right here. Burger, eh?
There's 3 of them.
Yeah, wow, they look good.
Just like a strip show, you can look, you can't touch.
That's a $27.95 special burger by Feenie's here. Look at that, look at that. Colonel Schwarzenegger would say, I'll be back.
Stay tuned for my review on Feenie's La Croc Burger and other food reviews from Oakridge Park.
Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.